BCD addition. In BCD numbers, we know that numbers greater than 9, that is 10, 10, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110 and 1111 are invalid numbers. Invalid numbers in BCD. So, while addition of BCD numbers, three cases arises. We will see case 1. If there is no carry out of one group to the next group, that is if carry is 0 and obtained sum is less than or equal to 9, then the obtained answer is correct and no correction is required. Now, second case arises if there is a carry from one group to the next group, and sum is less than or equal to 9, then add 6 to the sum term to get correct answer. Third case arises if there is no carry from first group to the second group or one group to the next group, that is carry is 0 and sum term is greater than 9, then add 6 to the sum term to get correct answer. We will see an example. Perform BCD 37 plus 25. Now, here the given numbers are in decimal. So, first we will convert these decimal numbers into BCD. So, 37 in decimal is represented as 0011, 0111 in BCD. Similarly, 25 in decimal is represented as 0010, 0101, sorry, here it will be 1 in BCD. Now, we will add these two numbers 0011, 0111. Here we will write the decimal representation also. So, 7 plus 5 will be 12 and here it will be 62. So, the correct answer should be 62 in decimal. So, we will see for BCD what we get. Here we will have 0010, 0101. So, if we add these two BCD numbers, 1 plus 1 will be 1, sorry 0, 1, then 1 plus 1 will be 0, 1, 1 plus 1 will be 1, 1, here we will get 1, 1 plus 1 will be 0, 1, here it will be 1 and here it will be 0. Now, we can see that there is no carry from one group to the next group. So, there is no carry present over here, but here we can see that the obtained sum term is greater than 9. So, this is the invalid term over here, invalid term So we have to add 6 to this term. So we will write down the given number as it is, or given answer as it is, and we will add 6 to the sum term. Now here we will get, after addition we will get 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 1 will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 0, 1, again we will get 0, 1, 1 plus 1 will be 0, 1, here we will get 1, 1, and here we will get 0. So if we see this number or obtained answer and convert it into decimal, we will come to see that this is 6 and this will be 2. So the obtained answer now is correct. So the final answer will be 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. This will be our final answer for given BCD addition. We will see one more example. Perform (37) in decimal plus 59. So here it is also in decimal. So we have to perform this by using BCD addition. So we will write down first the binary or BCD value for the given decimal number. So it will be 37 will be 0 0 1 1 and 7 will be 0 1 1 1. So this will be our BCD representation for 37. Next we will have 59. 59 is represented as 0 1 0 1, 1 0 0 1. Now we will perform BCD addition for these two numbers. So we will write down the given number as it is, 1 1 0 1 1 1, again 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 0 1. We will also write the decimal representation over here, 37 plus 59. So here we will get 16. So here the correct answer should be 96 in decimal. Now we will see what we get after BCD addition. So 1 plus 1 will be 0 1, again 0 1 0 1, 1 plus 1 will be again 0 1. Here we will get 1 and carry 1. So again 0 1 0 1, and here we will get finally 1. Now here we can see that both the sum terms are less than 9, but we have a carry from one group to the next group. Here we can see that there is a carry. So here this carry has to be considered. So there is a carry from one group to next group. So we have to add 6 to this term. So after binary addition or BCD addition, we have to add 6 over here to this sum term. Again we will get 0 plus 0 will be 0. Then here we will get 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. So now if we convert this into decimal, we can see that this is nothing but 9 and 6. So we get the correct answer over here. So the correct answer for binary or BCD addition of given two numbers is 0 1 1. Here 1 0 0 1 and 0 1 1 0. This will be our BCD representation of obtained answer. Thank you.